Hi guys, welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on how to create a Facebook account using your Android device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the Facebook app. Unlock your Android device and locate the Facebook app on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tap on the Facebook icon to open the app. Step 2. Sign up for Facebook. On the Facebook app's login page, tap on Create New Account or Sign Up. Step 3. Fill out the sign-up form. Enter your first name, last name, mobile number or email address, password, date of birth, and gender in the provided fields. Step 4. Tap Sign Up. Once you've filled out the form, tap on the Sign Up button at the bottom of the screen. Step 5. Verify your account. Facebook will send a verification code to the email address or mobile number you provided. Check your email or messages for the code and enter it in the app to verify your account. Step 6. Complete your profile. After verifying your account, you'll be prompted to add a profile picture, cover photo, and other personal details to complete your profile. You can skip this step if you prefer and do it later. Step 7. Find friends. Facebook will suggest friends for you based on your contacts. You can also search for friends manually using the search bar at the top of the screen. Step 8. Explore your newsfeed. Once your account is set up, take some time to explore your newsfeed and see what your friends are up to. Like, comment, and share posts to interact with them. Step 9. Customize your settings. Tap on the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, in the top right corner of the screen. Then scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Settings. From here, you can customize your privacy settings, notifications, and other account preferences. Step 10. Connect with groups and pages. Join groups and like pages that interest you to connect with people who share similar interests and hobbies. Step 11. Share your own content. Start sharing your own photos, videos, status updates, and thoughts with your friends and followers. Congratulations! You've successfully created your Facebook account using your Android device. You're now ready to connect with friends, family, and people from around the world. Don't forget to explore all the features Facebook has to offer and make the most out of your social networking experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest tutorials.